Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm back in the building, guys, and today we're making some mango, turmeric and ginger daiquiri from scratch. It's so delicious, and let's do this right now. Okay, so we're starting out by washing our mangoes, our turmeric and our ginger. Yes, right there. And we're just going to slice it afterwards. Yes, slice off the edges. And you might be wondering what mangoes to use. You can use any mangoes you have, whether common mango, number 11, green skin, Julie mango, East Indian. The list goes on and on. All right, so we scoop out the flesh. This is beautiful. Look at that bright yellow. Right into the blender with our turmeric and our ginger. We pour in some water and we blend. So simple and easy. Right now we're going to strain, and we're making the juice for our daiquiri. I give you another lens right there, another angle, and it's important to strain that we take out all of the stringy. And I needed some citrus. I needed some lime or lemon. I only had some little squingy lime from my backyard, and it wasn't giving me any juice, so I decided to just drop it right in there and add some sugar. Mix it, but I'm not going to let the lime stay in there too long, because then it can get bitter. I just want to get that little citrus flavor out. If you have lemon juice at home, or you have lemons or limes, go ahead and just squeeze it in the juice. All right, look at that. Now we're ready to go ahead and set some juice to freeze in the freezer overnight. Yes. We're also going to set some juice aside and place it in the refrigerator. We need this tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright, so next day, boom bam boom, everything is frozen and we're ready to make our daiquiri. We're going to place the frozen juice in a little water just to free it up a little, not to melt it completely, just to free it up. And once that is ready, we just go and just take an ice pick and just break up that into small pieces. Yeah, instead of using ice to make our daiquiri, we're going to use our mango juice, frozen mango juice. Yes, it's like we made mango juice ice cubes instead of using ice cubes. And remember the juice that I told you to reserve? This is going to be the liquid that is going to get your blender moving. Yeah. So we pour a little bit, and then we're going to cover, and then we're going to blend. And your blender is going to start to move, but it needs help. So we're going to use a spoon. Don't push the spoon all the way down till it touches the blade. No. We're going to pour a little bit more juice to get the blender going. And then we're going to use our spoon just at the top. This is just to help the blender to get it going. And you can sometimes tilt it. And you're done. Guys, this is so easy and delicious. Look at that. Mango daiquiri, homemade, natural, no artificial flavoring. Do not need to go to an uptown restaurant and spend $600 Jamaican dollars or $5 US to buy a daiquiri. I can come home and make it myself. And if you want to add a little rum, you can add it in the blender if you want to get rummified. But this is perfect for me. Delicious. Now look at this little angel. My daughter, she wanted to taste it before I could even taste it. And best believe she got her share. Thanks for watching, everyone, and just try this at home. It's so good.